How's it going, guys? I'm Nick with Cerrito Parks and Recreation, and today I'm going to teach you how to address a letter. We're going to make sure that our letter in our envelope has proper postage. And usually what you're going to want to do is you're going to put your postage stamp right in the right hand corner. Without your postage stamp, the post office is not going to send your letter. The second thing that you're going to need is the address of the person that you're sending the letter to. It's usually broken into 3 different lines. The first line has the name of the person that you're sending it to. I'm sending it to my bestie in Oro Valley, Sarah Griffin. And then after that, it has their street address. Below that, you have the town or city that they live in, the state, and the zip code. 3 different lines of information right smack dab in the middle of your envelope. And the third and final thing that you're gonna need on your envelope is the return address. So me, being Nick Noon, I'm sending it from my street address right here, and I got my town, my state, and my zip code. So if anything happens to my letter for some reason they can't properly send it, it gets sent right back to me and I get to try all over again. Super easy in sending a letter, just 3 different parts. Just to recap, we got our postage stamp right in the right hand corner. In the middle portion of our envelope, we have the address and name of the person that we're sending it to. And in the top left corner, we have the return address with all your information on it. So that's all you need when you're sending a letter through the mail.